Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got something special in store for you. If you ever wondered how to create that mesmerizing blur effect in your videos, you are in the right place. This is the easy blur effect tutorial that you have been waiting for. So let's get started. The first step is to import your videos to your Premiere Pro. Select all of these videos and put it on your timeline. This will create a new sequence. Now to apply a blur effect on your videos, simply just here select this and then create an adjustment layer. Here select the time base for the 60 fps and select the width and height as well. Here on OK, you can also create an adjustment layer just by clicking on your project menu. Here just click on new item and adjustment layer. Now I'm going to grab the adjustment layer and put it on my timeline. I'm going to create its size all the way to the right. So this covers the whole video. Now to apply a blur effect, simply go to Effects panel. Here search for the Gaussian Blur. And there you have it in the blur and sharpen. Just select this and place it on your adjustment layer. Here go to the effects control, and also if you can't find both of these panels, just go to Windows. Here select the effects or effect control panel. Now keep on selecting this. Here on the left side you can see there is an option for the Gaussian blur. In the blurriness menu, if you increase this value, you see the blur is applying to your video. You can select this option. If you want some feather at the edges of the video, I simply recommend you not to add that because this creates a black border around the edges. Keep on checking this item. You can increase or decrease value to apply the blur effect. Now you can do many things with this. You can add blur to your transitions. For example, if I zoom in the middle, if I add a keyframe, just by clicking on this stopwatch icon, I can add a keyframe. Increase this value to about 25%. If you want to add transition, here hold the shift key and the left arrow key 3 times. Now in the blurriness, simply just select the reset parameter. Now go to the next frame and again hold the shift key and the right arrow key 3 times. Add a keyframe here, but this time reset the parameter as well. Now if I play the video, this will act as a transition for you. A really smooth and beautiful transition. You can use this blur effect to blur anything in your video as well. Here just select the adjustment layer, create another one, place it on top of that layer where you want the blur to be applied. For example, this one, just select the effects. Here select the Gaussian blur, go to the effects control and increase its value to apply the blur. If you want to apply a blur to a specific area, just create a mask. And just like that. Now you can hold this and place it on your timeline. And just like that, you can apply a blur on the specific part of your video. I'm going to delete it and there you have it. You can also use the transition that you made here, right here at this video as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to place our marker right here in the middle. And I'm going to grab all of these, hold the Alt key right in the middle. Here I'm going to play the video. There's another transition. Let's add it right here as well. Grab all of these, hold the Alt key and place it in the middle. Just like that. And there's a quick tutorial on how to use the blur effect in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.